In today's video, I will be reviewing Sensational Wet Lace in the style Mariella 26 inches, and I got it in the color 1B. Prior to filming, I did apply my even lace tint in the color medium brown on the lace. Besides that, this is how the unit looks straight out of the package. I didn't pluck it. I didn't do anything to this unit. So far, off rip, I'm already loving how nice and flat this unit looks straight out of the package. First thing you want to do is cut the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on your head. If there's any extra lace behind your ear or anywhere in that area, just go ahead and cut it off. My lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with my Eben Firm Hold spray and I'm applying 1 layer of that spray. Then I went in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting until the adhesive spray is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. Then you want to repeat that same process for the other 2 sides of the lace. Although the lace already came pre-plucked, I've decided to go back in and pluck the hairline again to give the lace more of a natural look. To ensure that the lace is fully glued down, I'm going back in with my Eben Firm Hold spray and I'm just going over the hairline area with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to make sure that my lace is melted. And I do this process for about 3 to 5 minutes. was time to cut the lace off, and when I cut my lace, I love to cut my lace in a zigzag motion so that the lace can have more of a natural look to it as opposed to cutting the lace straight across. Now I'm going in with my Eben Wonder Lace melting spray to lay down the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. Now that the lace is fully glued down, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on the palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. When it comes to my baby hairs, I really like to go for a more natural, soft baby hair type of look, so I'm only going to pull out a thin layer of baby hairs. I felt like the sideburn area was a little thick, so I'm going in with my tweezers to pluck it and give it more of a natural look. I'm using my mini flat iron to curl my baby hairs to give it a fluffy, natural look. And to style my baby hairs, I'm going in with the Got To Be gel in the black tube. my vent brush to brush this hair out. And when it comes to a synthetic wig, especially the straight ones, you want to start from the bottom and then work your way up to the top so that you don't run into a lot of tangles and knots. I'm using the Eben Wig Knots Concealer to enhance my parting space. For the finishing touches of this wig, I'm going in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting, and I'm just gonna go over the top of this wig to get it nice and flat. At this point, I'm just going through the hair, making sure it is detangled and really just playing around with the hair until I like the way it looks. So here is the final look of this wig, and if I'm being honest, I wasn't too sure if I was going to actually like this wig because I don't usually go for straight synthetic wigs. But this one was really nice and I was very impressed with the actual lace on this unit. The lace looks so natural, it blended so well with my skin tone, and it was thin as well. The texture on this wig is more on the silky side rather than yucky, and I just feel like this wig gives such a classic, neat and sleek type of look. This unit is more on the shinier side as well, so if you do not like the shiny look, you can always go in with a dry shampoo. Now, if you want to spice this wig up a little bit more, I did try another style with this unit, so continue watching for style number 2. Here's the final look for style number 2. I love the way that this style came out. I think it just looks so cute, especially on the straight wig. It was definitely a tedious process, but the outcome was worth it. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video.